Most people get this wrong. They assume all cashback cards are created equal. But the Citizens Cashback Plus World MasterCard offers some surprising benefits that can make it stand out depending on your spending habits. Here's what you need to know before applying. This card gives up to 3% cash back in specific categories, 2% in others, and 1% on everything else. For example, I noticed it rewards groceries, gas, and dining particularly well. If you spend heavily in those categories, the cash back can really add up over a year. Another feature many people overlook is no annual fee, which makes it easier to earn rewards without worrying about offsetting fees. There's also a sign-up bonus for new cardholders, usually tied to spending a minimum in the first few months. For someone who budgets strategically, this can give a nice upfront reward. The card also comes with MasterCard World benefits like extended warranty, purchase protection, and travel perks. While these may not matter to casual users, frequent travelers or gadget buyers may find real value here. One downside is that the foreign transaction fee is standard, so if you travel internationally a lot, you might want to pair it with a fee-free card. Interest rates are competitive, but like all credit cards, carrying a balance reduces the real benefit. In conclusion, the Citizens Cashback Plus World MasterCard is ideal for everyday spending in higher reward categories with no annual fee and solid perks. If you spend mainly on groceries, gas, and dining, it's definitely worth considering. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews before you apply.